Aam Aadmi Party is keeping education as key focus as it heads into elections. AAP's Benaulim wing has launched a panel with teachers to receive and take up suggestions for improvement in the education system, which will be made part of the party's manifesto. AAP Delhi MLA Atishi Malena launched the initiative on Thursday. Atishi said there are three main focus areas: skill education, career counseling, and inculcating an entrepreneurial mindset in the curriculum.
We are very happy to launch this teachers panel for Benaulim constituency, who are going to be creating the education manifesto. Education is one of the very important agendas of Aam Aadmi Party. For many years, everyone has believed that government cannot provide good schools. But Aam Aadmi Party has shown that if governments have the political will, then world-class education can be provided to every student, whether they come from a rich background or a poor background. Today in Goa, we have a problem. Our children go to school, we send them all to school, they get a good education. But despite getting education, we are not able to give our children jobs. And after they have finished their schooling, after they have finished their education, the children of Goa, the youth of Goa, end up going outside Goa to look for jobs. This is what the education system needs to change, and this is the plan that our entire panel will be making. There are three important initiatives that we will be taking and which this panel will be working on. Number one is skill education. Right now, while students study in schools, they often have to go out and they are not skilled enough for the job market. And so how is it that we can give the right kind of skills, 21st century skills, to all the students who are studying in our schools? Second, career guidance and career counseling. That at this age, when students are in grade 9, 10, 11, 12, they are looking for what to do, but often they do not have people who can guide them. And so we are going to prepare a plan for how career guidance can be done for students who are in grade 9, 10, 11 and 12. We are going to start something called the Entrepreneurship Mindset Curriculum also here in Goa. This is an initiative that we have taken in Delhi, and the important part of this initiative is that when students come out of schools, when our young educated youth comes out of the education system, we are all thinking, oh, we need to find jobs, we need to find jobs, we need to find jobs. And all the young people spend their time in looking for jobs, writing exams, standing in lines. Whereas, we need to be creating job creators, not job seekers. This is an initiative that we have also started in Delhi government school.
30 वर्सां जितले आमदार जाऊन गेले, डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ एड्युकेशन इन दी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी हे तेंक सोजमो कोणा येलो ना आनी तेमी कोणा हेजे लक्ष घाल ना. We are here today to ensure that the next 5 years of the Aam Aadmi Party governance in Goa as well as the Aam Aadmi Party legislature member जो आसतलो तेजे 5 वर्सां पेडेर जाचनु. So there will be development of the schools in our constituency. There will be development of each student. There will be development of the teachers, and there will be development of the parents who will be prepared to see the future of their kids.
Ramesh Naik Rath for Goa 365 from Benaulim.